My wonderful people, no be small thing they happen. No, as it start right now, they say when I know that our brother, what they call Biafra child, he don't come outside. They can't talk many things about gentle, but no be the matter where will carry us come. When the carry us come today, be say as it start now, just to say he no go leave. Stay tuned as he dey watch the video. He go watch the full video. He can't talk another one again. Come outside that Ngozi Orabeze is trying to bring a way of correcting fundraising for Biafrans again. If you see wetin this guy talk for mouth, no be small thing. Watch the full video before we come back and continue. Just settle down, watch this full video before we come back and continue.
All right, wonderful people. Mazo Kenno Kechukwu is here again. You are going to listen to Ifeanyi, aka the Gentle the Yahoo. After committing all crimes, after sending our people to early grave, he said he want to pray to Chukwu Okike Abiama. How can this happen? I have told you people that these evil men and women will never survive in an Igbo. And they are now praying. How do you think that their prayer will work? How do you think that Chukwu Okike Abiama will answer their prayer? After destroying the properties and lives of our people in our Igbo, and now they are praying. Agwara m unu, onye ọbụla na-agwọ ọgwụ ka o wee megide ụmụ nwanne ya. Onye ọbụla na-agwọ ọgwụ ka o wee nara nwanne ya ihe ya n'ike. Onye ọbụla na-agwọ ọgwụ wee sị na ọ bụ ọgwụ ihe ọ na-agwọrọ ọgwụ bụ iji ya wee na-ezu ochi. A na-ekwu okwu izu ochi na izucha ochi. Ndị izu ochi igbuo fa. Wee sị na Chukwu Okike Abiama ga-aza ya ekpele. Ngwa ka ejikwa nọ na ajụjụ a. Ịmara na bụ na-ekwu okwu ụfọdụ ada aghọta. Abụ m nwoke na-ekwu okwu n'enu. Wee na-agwa unu ka unu gee vidiyo. Gentle the Yahoo mechara mpụ wee na-ayọ biko. Gwakwa na ya ayọba biko. Na ihe ga-akarị ya mma bụ na ọbịa sọrịnda onwe ya. Eti ya na underground prison. At least o were godo opportunity ahụ wee digodo ndụ for a while. Mana at the end ọ gaghị survive ya. Ama m that na onye ọbụla ga-anwụ anwụ n'elu ụwa. Ọ bụ ihe aka nji agwa ụnụ. Otu esi wee kwado n'oge ụka jungle justice. Onweghị onye ga-adị ndụ n'elu ụwa ruo oge ebighị ebi. Ọ ka mmadụ na-anwụ ka nwaanyị na-amụ ọzọ. Nwoke a na-atụba nwaanyị ime ọzọ. Wee na-agwa ụnụ. Oke soro ngwere maa mmiri. Arụ ga-akọkwa ngwere ma ọ ga-akọ oke. Ifeanyi aka the Gentle Yahoo, Angel Makeup, and the bute ụzọ. Si na ya bụ igwe bute ụzọ. Si na ya na-eche ka Simon Ekpa ka onye ya the remaining staff ọnụ. Maka according to bute ụzọ, ọ sị na Simon Ekpa gwara ya na ọ ga-atọpụrụ ya more star. Ọ bụrụzie 5 star. Ngwa chebenu Simon Ekpa. Mana ajụjụ m na-ajụ ụnụ, igwe bute ụzọ aka Ifeanyi the Gentle the Yahoo, Angel Makeup, ndị be anyị unu na-egbusisi Ajụjụ na-ajụ bụ na-ajụ no ke ihe bụ isi unu ji wee bido igbo ndị be anyị. Ke ihe bụ the problem. Aka na-ajụ na ajụjụ a. Unu ama reason ji ajụ na ajụjụ a. You know, but agbacha ọsọ a ga-agụ mbọ aka na-ekwu ya na-ekwusi ike. Agwụgwụkwanụ m ụnụ onweghị onye ga-ana ija. Ịghọtago? Ọkwa ka ị na-achụ m ka m na-achụ, ka ị na-adụ m aka n'ọnụ ka m na-adụ. Ọkwa onye bụ ụzọ dutu ibi ya ọ bụrụ dike. Maka na ihe anyị nọ na-abụ battle of survival. Ana m ekwu ya na-ekwusi ike. Unu bụ ndị na-asọpọtụ ndị ọjọọ a. Onye ọbụla ọ ga-efete onye ọbụla. Ana m ekwu ya na-ekwusi ike. Ọ mụnwa bụ Maazị Okenna Okechukwu. Ngwa gee na ife onyonyo a. Ọ dịkwa ka ọ ga-adị. Ha na-ayọzi biko. Agbara m ụnụ na ha na-ayọ biko. Ndewo nọ.
This is AKA Gentle Yahoo. We have come today for the respect of Igwe Utozo, the General Commander in Biafra land. We are here live and direct to pray to God Almighty in the Chukwokike Abiyama. To pray.
All right, wonderful people. Breaking news. Propagandas, lies, and deceit on social media by Ngozi Orabeze and their group called Government in Exile or United States of Biafra in Finland. Another fundraising is about to commence. Another defrauding of our people are about to set. They are about to organize themselves to also defraud our people again by raising funds. According to the news, lies, propaganda, deceit, 18 foreign lawyers set to defend Simon Ekpa, a terrorist. Some of you think that we are living in Africa, that somebody will just come from nowhere begin to defend terrorists. Nobody wants to associate himself or herself with a terrorist. We are living in Western world. Some of you don't know what is going on the ground. Simon Ekpa is singing. Simon Ekpa have turned to parrot, big time parrot. And I'm here to tell you the authentic intel. It's left for you to believe. Or you can also argue on my comment section. Because that is exactly what you people know how to do best. Mana agbago mono na nwoke ni ibi arabu no okwu ekwuru n'ọnụ. Nwoke ni ibi arabu na ebere na my comment section just start writing nonsense. Something that cannot just remove a hair from my body. Now pay attention and listen very attentively. Like I said, fundraising is about to commence. They are about to defraud our people again on internet. Because these people are internet fraudsters. The big question here is, asking Ngozi Orabeze and their group called Government in Exile, have they visited Simon Ekpa since the arrest of Simon Ekpa and transfer to prison? Have they? The answer is no. Because nobody wants to associate with a terrorist. Nobody wants to do anything with terrorists. That is how it is. They are now bringing propaganda on social media. They are now fabricating lies and concocting stories on social media. Because every of their lies and propaganda are on social media. And the money they created is also on social media. Let me bust your bubble. Because some of you don't know. Simon Ekpa is lying to the government. But Simon Ekpa is telling his lawyer everything that is going on or every of the truth. But little did Simon Ekpa know. He don't even know that the same lawyer is working with the government. Are you not paying attention? Are you now listening to what I'm saying? Simon Ekpa can never survive this. I want you all to just disregard this fake news, propaganda, lies, concocted stories and fabricated lies from autopilot and their group called Government in Exile that 18 foreign lawyers set to defend Simon Ekpa, the terrorist. You people don't know that Simon Ekpa is being tagged with terrorist act. Nobody is ready to defend him. Simon Ekpa is singing as a parrot. Like I said, Simon Ekpa have called the whole names of those that are funding him, those that are supporting him. But what some of you don't even know is that they have been following Simon Ekpa since 2021. All the whole fundraising of Simon Ekpa, they were inside. To the extent that the intel that comes to me was, you people that are pushing video to Finland government, trying to give them more videos to prove beyond reasonable doubt that Simon Ekpa is a terrorist. They have video more than you do. They have video more than you do. They have information more than you do. They have intel more than you do. They have made investigation more than you do. So everything that you are giving to them, they have it in quantum. Things that you don't even have an idea of. The people that are holding Simon Ekpa have it. Before they transfer Simon Ekpa to prison, they have every information. Before they call Simon Ekpa and hold him without allowing him to go, let me tell you people something. Some of you that are not following this case from the day one, remember that they have once invited Simon Ekpa to police station. Under 24 hours, they allow him to go. And what did they tell Simon Ekpa? That you will never move away from Finland. That is why Simon Ekpa will be lying to you people on social media. He's visiting Canada. He's visiting Australia. He's visiting Asia. Inside his house. Conference. He never traveled. Since 2021, they have been monitoring Simon Ekpa. Simon Ekpa never left Finland. Till the investigation come into conclusion. And now, this one is no more invite. They go and pick him up. Are you now understanding? All of you gullible idiots, all of you that have very tiny species that cannot obtain, all of you that your sense is smelling, I'm telling you people, disassociate yourself with all this autopilot. All of you that have contributed, begin now to weaponize, because some of you were deceived. I know. Some of you were really deceived. Because most of our people love Biafran restoration projects. And whenever they heard the name of Biafra, they want to join. Without asking questions. Another fundraising is about to commence by autopilot and Ngozi Orabeze, the criminal recruited agent. That is exactly what they are planning. Let me tell you people something. If you are waiting for Simon Ekpa to come out, Nija or Nonimia, Oga, you are going to wait tired. Listen to this video and share it. It will help you. Disregard this nonsense. Don't even mind them. We have the information. If it's true, we are going to tell you. Good day.
My wonderful people, welcome back. As you don't watch that video, as you dey watch, make sure they share them and drop your own opinion for inside comment section. A lot of talk no dey for this one, no. Just drop your own opinion and share the video. You don't read though. Now we go solve this problem.